In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart in Trello. If you're managing projects and want to visualize your tasks on a timeline, Gantt charts can be a game changer. They help you track progress, manage deadlines, and keep your team on the same page. The good news is that Trello, a popular tool for organizing your projects, allows you to integrate Gantt charts directly into your workflow. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps to add and customize a Gantt chart in Trello so you can streamline your project management process. Let's get started. First, open your Trello board. This is the board where you want to add a Gantt chart. If you don't already have a Trello account, signing up is free and easy. Just head to Trello.com to get started. Once your board is open, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a small rocket ship icon. Go ahead and click on that. When you click the rocket ship icon, a menu will appear. From this menu, select the option that says Add Power-Ups. Power-Ups are Trello's way of adding extra functionality to your boards, and a Gantt chart integration is one of the options available. Now, in the Power-Ups search bar, type the word Gantt. This will filter the results and show you all the available Gantt chart power-ups that you can add to your Trello board. Take a moment to review the options listed. Each power-up will have a short description of its features. Choose the one that best fits your needs. For example, Gantt chart by Placker is a popular choice for many users. Once you've decided on the power-up you want, click the Add button next to it. This will integrate the Gantt chart functionality into your Trello board. After clicking Add, you may need to complete an authorization process to link your Trello account with the power-up provider. Simply follow the prompts on your screen to complete this step. It's usually straightforward and only takes a minute or two. After the power-up has been added and authorized, you'll notice a new button for your selected Gantt chart power-up on the top bar of your Trello board. This button is your gateway to the Gantt chart tools. Click it to open and access your Gantt chart. Now that the Gantt chart is open, it's time to configure it for your project. You can customize the chart settings to match your project's requirements. For example, you can adjust task timelines, set dependencies between tasks, and assign team members to specific activities. Take your time to explore the settings and tailor the Gantt chart to fit your workflow. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized a Gantt chart in Trello. Using this powerful tool, you'll be able to keep your projects organized and stay on top of your deadlines like a pro. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.